Hello beautiful people, una welcome back again. Una sister don roll come outside again. Today video now about Faith and Kate, ex-fiancé to Kate's brother in Nigeria. Don't finally come reply Kate after a very long time. So she come outside, come reply Kate, come debunk some rumor wey Kate dey carry about her. My people, this very one, the girls are not smiling at all. Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, depends on the time una take dey watch me from. How is everyone doing? I hope you all are doing great. My country people, now another one we come dey again. Everybody know who be Faith. Faith now fiancé, ex-fiancé to Kate's brother wey he marry for inside Nigeria. So since when all this gbege take come outside, Faith never utter any word come outside until a video wey Kate do, wey according to Faith, he say he get video wey Kate do, his ex-sister-in-law do. So he say make everybody beg am make he stay away from her. Say he no want, because if he start in you, no be say Kate no know her, Kate know her, but Kate no go like her own action when she start her own. You understand, my country people? So now the matter wey dey for inside matter, now it be this next, make I just bring and come give una this early momo as e dey help my people. Make una come lis ten to wetin dey happen. Faith say may everybody wey know Kate, may they talk to Kate, because when she start, nobody go fit hold am. When she start, nobody go fit tell am say e don do. My people, how una see this matter? Because a lot of people they talk say na Faith na im go dey ginger Sarah ever since dem make Sarah come dey vandalize Kate. But now Faith don finally roll herself out for where she dey. You understand? So she come send sad warning to her sister-in-law. Leave me alone. Dey your day, make I dey my day. You know me. All this one don reach. No dey talk about me. No dey spoil my name. No dey vandalize me for outside. My people, no be small warning you. When I see the video, now I come say, okay, I will carry the video, come give una my people. So my country people, before I will release the video to you people guys, please, if you are watching for the very first time, you are highly welcome to this wonderful platform. Please, after watching, subscribe and on your notification bell, so that anytime I upload, you'll be the first to be notified. To my new subscriber, God bless you, and to my returnees, may God bless you all for me in Jesus' name. So now, so we see the matter for inside. So this video will now watch, so now very strong video. I shocked to see Faith cry come outside, say may he leave her alone. I can't say wetin really dey happen. Why e be like say why Faith can't come outside this time around? Because some people say Faith no go fit come outside. Say she be slow poison, she no go come out. But I was so shocked yesterday when I see Faith reply her sister-in-law, Kate, say leave me alone. Dey your day. Leave me in peace. Your brother don't stay married now. EJ not talk to you now, say he don't do. Nobody call you in order now. I know say you no go here, even though they call you in order. But no, they talk my matter again. My people, I wanna see this matter. It good as Faith come outside, constantly debunk some rumor. She try what she take dey inside ever since then. Or una really believe say she dey give a message to people to talk to Kate ever since then, because many people now wetin they believe be that one, say Faith hide under the camera, say na her work be that one. But this time around now, she come outside, but now inside darkness. Now she for do the video. So now I say make I let una know wetin dey sup for inside this video that you are about to watch. Say na Kate and Faith. So Faith don't finally come reply sister-in-law, ex-sister-in-law. Stay your own. Ex-sister-in-law, your brother don't marry. Leave me in peace and let me have my peace. You get one video where say Kate do, now she can't reply. My country people, the matter tire me. So now, so we see the matter, my country people. Make I leave una, make una watch the full video. I better share this video, give it a like your thing, and also leave your comments for me in the comment section. Thank you everyone that have been watching, that have been sharing. God bless you, and I appreciate you. Happy view, my country people. See you guys in my next video. Love you all. Bye bye.
Hello everybody. I not just get too much of things to talk. This message now direct to Kate. Kate, this message now direct to you. E don't say wait, e don't say this thing don't pass 4 months. Wait, e don't take the look for my trouble. Friendship not be by force. You don't want me again. I don't want you again. Not by force. Not be by force. Why you can't attach me to everybody where you dey find the trouble, where you dey get problem with them? You go they attach me the journal saying me they say that they come. Kate, remove your hand from my matter. Remove your hand from my matter. Stay away from anything that is close to me, anything that is around me. Kate, your boy your mekure, stay away. If not, wait till you go see, you not go like her, oh. You not go like her. You not be say you not know me. You just the parabulate for nothing. Not be say you don't know me. You know me and I know you. Kate, remove your hand from my matter. And everybody wait there around me. You don't say where they look for me, oh. I they look you. I they look you. Not be say I not sabi talk. Not be say I not sabi talk. I not that stupid as you be where be say not you not get respect for anybody. I they respect everybody that's around me. Now make me quiet for you since then. Now make me not be say I not sabi talk. Not be say if I say make I come out for you, you don't know. You know and I know. Me and you know. So not come they drag everybody way down because not me send you market. I not send you market. So not come tell me what, not come they show me what you buy for the market. Do you understand me? I not send you market. Not come show me what you buy for the market. You not concern me, you not concern me, concern you. You say me you day your day and I day my day. Remove your hand for my matter. Remove your hand for anything that is close to me. Kate, not to say I don't want you. Oh. Not to say I don't want you. Tomorrow now, una come talk say na so faith don't start. Oh, na so faith don't start. All of una where they join us is there. Una they look and don't pass for months. When this girl, when this idiot, they look for me and I quiet they look on. But this message, this video, what y'all do this evening now. But because I just do this one now because it don't they pass the boundary. It don't they pass the boundary. It don't they pass the boundary. This message now just to start. This one I just testing. I just say my tell and say me stay away from me. Because if not, our own matter go pass the one we first day ground we never see finish for since then. Oh. Because now she dey fine and I go give her to her back to back. I go give her to her because I don't care anymore because it's just too much. That's where they quiet, not be fool. I not be fool. I not be fool. I just they quiet because everybody wait there around me. They respect people wait there around me. So Kate, I say me I tell you, stay away from me. Una way you know her. Una way you know her. More than one because as he dey Kate body, as Kate they vomit, they talk anyhow, they vomit any rubbish. If I open my mouth, Kate, stay clear. Come out your body for my matter. Come out your body for my body. You not concern me, concern you. Not concern me, concern your family again. That thing will be band us together. You don't cut, I don't cut her. So you let me be. Remove your hand from my matter, eh? If not, what you go see? You not go like her, oh. You not go like her. You don't they call me for more than 4 months now. All of the way they analyze, all the stupid analyze the way they social media. Una blind and una deaf. Una not call her. Not be the time where I can't start. I will decide where I can't put the key. I go start the motor green. That time I come talk say, hey, no one stop, oh. Hey, friend, not there. Una blind and una deaf is there, oh. Una blind, una there. And that time I go they use all of una. I go use all of una. I tell they knock each other. And that one I know. Say person will not they talk. If he talk, if they get tell they be. Kate, remove your hand from my matter. Come on, body for my body. Come on, your useless body. Come on, from my matter, oh. My matter not good, oh. It not good and you know. Not be say you don't know me, oh. You know me. Me, I know you. You don't all the name where you don't they call me since then. I they look you like say, oh no, this one not get, you not get brain. Because if you get brain, all this rubbish where you they do since then, you not go they do. I hear they look you say, make this one they crazy. But this one where you can't do today, eh? This one where you do today, let it be first and last. Do you understand me? Since then, people they fight with you, say na faith they send them. People they fight with you, they say na Lolo, you and Lolo got problems, say na faith. Nah, Sarah, you say na faith. Okay, now me see send what did they call her Frank Victor. Now me still go send Frank Victor, niva bola wegbe. Now me still go send Frank Victor. I mean, na me go send Mama Boy. All the useless thing what you got to do for the group. Now me still send there. Kate, how many times I call you now? You don't know what you they call. You don't know who you they call. You don't know for how many years when me and you they play. You not true know me, because if you know me, you know they call me as they call me since then. But I also say I can't warn you. Come out your body for my matter. Come out your body for my matter. Your mama they look you. You they cost me every now and then. For more than 4 months now, I not tell you. Not be the time where I call say, may I start now. This one, I just they warn you now. If I say, may I start now, they'll come and talk, say, faith yo. That time. No riebo. Eri atete. No riebo, eri atete. Keti. Keti, no riebo, eri atete. We guagua. We me a total ye matu we. Well, you say you want to call they call on my friend's name. If you finish with this one, you go call the other one and say me the gossip. Then they still know the gossip. Where me ask me matter where if I start your matter. Oh God, Kate, not push me. Not push me. You don't they push me. And you don't they go close to when if I jump at you know me. You know me, oh. People wey no person wey no dey quit dey talk. Mona go tell Kate, make Kate remove your body from my matter, because I know they quit dey talk. But if it spark, I be thunder and fire. Now be. So now this one say me I can't tell you, Kate. Now say me I can't warn you, and everybody where they give you that useless advice say they shook faith. Because where I go start, If I enter the front of your house, I will come out for back. Not be say you don't know me. Me na thunder and fire. If you say you the Chris, now be say me if you don't know me. You don't know me, Kate. Kate, you don't know me. Kate, umaye me at all, Umaye me. Because ya gwana wa we ge eri feti eri ono na eri ono na I beg Mona, let me share this video. Go give Kate. Mona, I know say you not even need to share now, because the waiting that they call her, because I never want to start to insult anybody now. I just they be a good girl now. I know say as I do this video now. I know say that yours my day this your day here now. I know, but I never want to insult anybody. So my brother, let me tell you, warn your wife. Warn now. Oh, una know and I know. Una know say if he sets everywhere go seke, everywhere go para. Una know. So warn your wife, oh. Warn your wife, whether not she be the husband, whether not you be the wife, oh. More than one each other, oh. Because if he starts, if I put the key, una no go like what una go see, oh. Now say me I can't tell now. I don't get much to talk. I don't get more to talk. So now say I can't tell now. So may everybody yourself take it. Mona go take it. All the supporter where they support her. All the bad advice where she get, where they push her, they go thunder. So now they push her, make come be thunder. I be thunder and fire. I don't care what people talk about me. It's my life. Anything what I like, I do with my life. I never marry. I don't be like you, Kate. One year, as I just off quiet since then, you know and I know. You know nah. While I be like bicycle. You know and I know. Say if I sit down for your matter, you go worse past the one way they ground, so we never finish. You know and I know. But and I you define. And if I answer you, you don't they go now. I don't give you this one now. If you not stop for you, what you dey buluku. O mi no gba lo boku pe keti O mi no gba lo boku pe. O mi no gba lo boku pe because emi kere o sono me. Wa ti e keti re. wati eketire ade mani ho wati etion sa wa ya fefe no orie Nigeria omeme nu wati otie orie Nigeria o me o wa gbagba we nu wa ya san wa via san yo ni san we re omo neme no mo go ne da mo go ni je omo no gbije kwa ma via san yo ni san wa ma via san yo ni san wa na sia no we gbe mu ememe ni no meme ade Nigeria no gbe mu ade eri ade waka Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Sisi wa mighty via san yo ni san wa na sia we no ya ade Nigeria no we gbe we ade we oni me a help wa via 24 lashes even short no ya help wa via 1000 lashes yo ni san they say or let's work I beg Mona me share this video go give anybody wey know Kate Mona go send her give Kate and anybody wey know her wey go fit talk to her because if not I go give her 1 million lashes because I mean alayin winner the negiari owa know. Do you get it? Do you understand me? Because you don't pass your boundaries. I dey look you. Kate. Hey, Katie. Now so I talk and reach. I don't want to talk more than this. I can't say me I warn you. Come on body for my matter. Come out your body. If not, where till you go jam you. Aso rock, thunder and fire. That's why I talk and reach. Thank you everyone. I beg Mona. I beg all of you now. Wait they talk. Say faith not talk. There is something where person they take. I know if it take again. There is something where person they take. I know if it take again. Come on, body for my body. They mention my friend's name anyhow. They mention my friend's name. You don't spell my name for social media. Why can't you spell my name with my friends? You they crazy. You think I get useless friends like you? You they mad? Eketi. Itama wene. Igu egwane. Emni atana iwa beta. So mana igbe ne gbo yegbe. Emni ri wa fun amie. Uteke uga swallow uga nwame. Me mabe when we see ame now. Malake when we see ame se now. Maybe at the time why yakin number 1. Egeni why we turn down fire or we jam. I bet Mona me share this video. Good night everybody.